Try this avocado terrine with corn salsa as a delicious starter whenever you're entertaining this summer. To get started, grease an 11cm by 23cm loaf pan and line it with baking paper, allowing the sides to overhang. Then place the avocado, cream cheese, sour cream, lime juice, garlic, cumin, and fennel in a food processor and process until smooth. Season with a little pepper and salt. Spoon the avocado mixture into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Cover, then place in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight or until it firms up. For the corn salsa that goes on top, heat a little olive oil in a non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Cook the corn, stirring for 5 minutes or until the corn kernels are golden brown. Put them in a heatproof bowl and set them aside to cool before adding the olives, chilli and coriander, then season with pepper and salt. Stir it all to combine. When you're ready to serve, turn the terrine onto a serving platter and carefully remove the baking paper. You can smooth the edges with a palette knife if you like. Then top the terrine with the corn salsa and drizzle with a little olive oil. This avocado terrine is simple to make but special enough for festive celebrations. It's easy to transport too, so it's great when you're asked to bring a plate.